Yes, it was a long story, I mean, because we started the development 3 years ago. It was in September 2022 when I take the project, and there was one phase before this, about 1 year, and we spend a lot of time in order to find a good compromise in terms of tuning between braking system, dual clutch transmission, front engine, rear engine. So we perform a lot of tuning trip in off-road in all countries in Europe, in Spain, in France, in Romania, in Sweden, in Germany, in all conditions in terms of temperature, from minus 30 until 45 when we are in south of Granada in July, and also in mountains, because we know that a lot of guys who are living in mountains like this type of car, and so it was difficult, it was hard, but we are very happy from the result. This is my car that I have every day when I travel in France or in Spain or in Sweden, and this mileage of the car is today 30,000 kilometers, done in 6 months. And with this car we can record all the data that we have on the powertrain side regarding the dual clutch transmission, but also the engine that we have on the front and also on the rear. So we tested all our new software and calibration that the tuning team is developing to know if everything is okay, and after, when it is okay, we send all this to the plant to produce the car. So now the project is finished, so it is only validation, but we continue. E4x4 is a system. You can do a lot of things with this system, in fact, because, for example, EV driving in city is up to 60% of time in city, which is the top level for a 48 volt technology. Of course, it is less than the hybrid 155 from Dacia, but it is the top level for a 48 volt technology. You have a towing capacity of 1.5 tons. I have the trailer here. It is a blue one. You can see it because I come from Paris with the trailer, 1.5 tons, with 79 bags of sand. Each bag is 15 kilos, so if you multiply, and I can tell you that with towing, the car is outstanding. There is absolutely no issue when you are in slope to make a takeoff. If you have a long uphill on highway with 60% of slope, which is the maximum slope in France, there is absolutely no issue to maintain vehicle speed maximum 100 kph, which is a lot because the car plus the trailer, it is about 3.2 tons in fact. And the other advantage is also 4x4. And 4x4, it is not only for off-road with a lot of stones and so on. Off-road is snow, mud, sand, water, of course, stones. You have the rotary switch, the terrain control command, so you can choose your own modes as a function of the terrain. And with each mode is very different from all. So you adapt as a function of the terrain, and I can tell you that you can make a lot of things. Towing, you can make also towing in off-road if you want. If you go, I don't know, in a forest to put the woods in the trailer, or I don't know. And the other capacity of the car and is the performance. You have 160 horsepower, so 140 from the front plus 10 from the rear, and so with 150 horsepower, due to the weight of the car, it is completely sufficient in all conditions. I can tell you that even if it is an hybrid, even if you are at high positive elevation, for example at 3,000 meters, you have no issue, no lack of performance. And thanks to that, if you want to drive more faster. Choose what you want, in fact. And we have also the dual clutch transmission, 6-speed, a new one, to improve the comfort, to have a better behavior when you drive. You have paddles here, so you can make downshift or upshift. You can switch to manual mode if you want. If you push the paddle here, you switch to manual mode, and in this case you are in manual mode in order to choose by yourself which gear you want to apply on the front axle. And you have also a lot of equipment in the car, ACC, of course air conditioning, heating seat, heating this part. And what is good also is that we didn't make any compromise in terms of cabin volume. I mean, there is no impact on the system of the cabin volume, so you have exactly the same than the current Duster. And even if the engine is a B-fuel, because we have gasoline plus LPG, so 100 liters of fuels, 50 for each tank, and thanks to that the autonomy is up to 1,500 kilometers, which is a lot for a 4x4 car, and it is in fact a world premiere. Huh? No other OEM in the world make such technology in the street. Hybrid, LPG, 4x4, it doesn't exist, we are the first.